Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I have also decided to undertake Swayampurna Goa Yatra. Within 1 year, I hope to cover all the villages in the state, gain deeper insight into the history and culture of Goa and understanding of people's problems and issues. We are now in the midst of assembly elections, and the poll day for Goa is 14 February 2022. There is a total electorate of 11.44 lakh voters. This includes 17,250 new voters enrolled this year. I would like to urge all voters of Goa to enthusiastically participate in the voting process and at the same time strictly follow all the COVID protocols. I am sure that assembly elections in Goa will be free, fair, peaceful and safe. Friends, in September last, Rajbhavan decided to use the Governor's Fund to extend a helping hand to the weak, vulnerable and underprivileged sections of society by proving financial assistance to 71 NGOs involved in sheltering and caring for the children and elderly persons, including